Hey everyone, just wanted to show you guys my 1994 Toyota pickup. Oh wait, it's this one. Oh yeah. So this truck has been amazing. I've had it for about a year and done a bunch of work to it. It actually has a new paint job, and I painted the wheels, got new tires. I haven't really done anything to the engine. It's all been very reliable and very solid. It has the 3-liter V6, which, and also unfortunately, it is automatic. But hey, can't have everything. That's why I have this, which is the 6-speed. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna show you guys, I'll pop the hood and show you guys the interior. How about that obnoxious Toyota Buzz? Alright, so we got the 3-liter, and this truck, I forgot to mention, only has 65,000 miles on, so it still runs like a top. It has a cold air intake, and so push down on spring to latch. So that is how you close this thing. So you gotta push. Gotta push on that, and then it closes. So that's the way. I'll show you guys the interior. I'm gonna pull this key out. So as you can see, it is super clean. The dash doesn't have any cracks. Has an aftermarket radio, but I mean, look at these seats. They're in great shape. This comes forward. Tiny little back seat, which good luck getting anybody but a 2-year-old back there. So that is that. Thanks for watching.